LifeonHeltonCreek. My name's Mimi and this is Pa. We're driving the Cadillac truck going to deliver a roll of hay to a good friend who is in need right now. So we're going to take them a roll of hay, and then after we deliver the roll of hay, what are we going to do, Pa?
Well, we're going to go get 2 used street sweeper brushes. That's a tongue twister.
It is a tongue twister.
And make cow scratchers out of them. Because happy cows are tasty cows.
Now, we don't eat mama cows.
No, but they raise babies that are tasty. So.
We have had an incredible storm this morning. Another summer. I mean, there's limbs down. We were blessed that we didn't get a tornado, because there were tornado warnings out for our area. They specifically mentioned our road, and that never happens. They specifically mentioned our city
Over and over.
more than one time. That never happened. So we were kind of concerned for a few minutes. We got to be real honest about it. We were concerned for a few minutes. But we were blessed, and it went around us. We didn't get the bad stuff. It had all kinds of hooks and angles and bows and all that stuff on the radar, but we were really, really lucky that we didn't get. So anyway, just wanted to let you know how our day's going. And now it's a beautiful day outside. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, the clouds have parted. It's a gorgeous day. So we'll let you know when we get our cow scratchers. I'm so excited.
Well, the little red and white face had his butt backed up to the hay rack this morning,
Scratch.
wiggling. So, and the next thing he'll do is poop while he's scratching, and then it'll fall into the hay. So.
They scratch on tree limbs, tree trunks. They scratch on anything they can scratch on. So this is pretty exciting. I think they're going to really be happy cows. Happy cows. So we delivered our roll of hay and collected some okra, a 5-gallon bucket. So I'm going to try my hand at pickled okra, because he loves pickled okra.
If it's done right.
If it's done right. And I've got some cayenne peppers in the garden that I can put in there to make it a little bit hot, which he also likes if it's done right. I also was given a jar of okra chips. We've never had these, but we're going to try them and see how they are. It is reported that they are not slimy and they are a little spicy, so he'll try those out and see.
Yep.
And ta-da! Cow scratchers. These are street sweeper brushes that are used and obviously don't do any good street sweep. They don't do any good sweeping a street anymore. So we bought them, and we're going to somehow do something and make cow scratchers out of them.
Yep.
And there will be a video. Because we're pretty excited. Yeah. Mamie's pretty excited to have the girls, and we're gonna let the cheeseburgers have one too, so they don't poop.
Yeah, they're in there bored and they're scratching on everything, and I think that's how they got that panel open, is they were trying to scratch an itch, and it moved, and they said, "Hey."
So we're gonna try to fix them one and the girls one, and we're pretty excited about that. So stay tuned for that. We'll definitely hook you up on that. We're in the barn. We're in a rainstorm. That is one of the street sweeper brushes that we bought yesterday for the cows. And we're about to try to install it. It is, yeah, it's raining. I'm not complaining about it raining. Paul has devised some sort of plan that we're going to hook it to a chain and a something and another chain and another something, and we're gonna hang it up here in the barn. And the first people to get it, well, the first bunch to get a go at it will be the cheeseburgers, even though they've been misbehaving.
Most people set a post and then slip them over the top of the post, and we really don't have time, or kind of doing a sort of a temporary thing for these guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to run some log chain through it. My Harbor Freight chain in the bucket. The bucket's kind of going away. So we're going to use this unistrut. We're going to put it in there, run through the middle, and then we're going to attach it to the side of the barn. And it's got a metal core in it, so unistrut will pull out, and they shouldn't be able. People say they won't be able.
Yeah. Yeah, please don't say they won't be able.
To tear it down. I hope. I may have a nut in there somewhere. All right, put that down through it.
Put that through
How bucket?
How much does a bucket of chain cost at Cobble Freight?
$39. If you got a 20% off coupon, you get $4 off. Down the center.
There it is.
All right, just let it go.
Is that right?
That's right.
3 bolts later. Whoa! Take 2. So we got a bigger strut in the bottom. Yeah. That's good enough for now. Look, y'all. Silly boy. Ask me where we are.
We're stuck at the feed barn, putting up the cow scratcher.
Well, the cow scratcher's up. But
Yeah.
we're out in the barn
Yep.
because it ain't gonna be bad.
Now the wind's already let up.
Can you hear that? If we don't make it through it, I love y'all.
Pick out. It's coming off spring.
Coming along, spring.
They're still using their scratcher. I reckon they're still using their scratcher, Edie. No.
Charlotte just one. Come over on.
He has his own personal trough. So y'all see them? There's 6 at that trough. And there's 1 at this trough. And when Paul comes in to feed, he puts feed in that trough first. And 46 stands and waits for him to put feed in his trough. You gonna let him come in? Hmm? Freshened up the floors in here too. Looks really good. This is the turkey that was rescued in the hayfield. If you saw that video, she's a big old hen now. The other was a tom and he's gone. He took off to make a family, I guess. I'm not real sure. But the one thing that the turkeys have done is train the chickens to roost in the trees. So she's free, but she don't leave. She stays here. And the tom took off for grass is always greener, I guess.